Welcome to Future Fleet, where we explore history's greatest engineering marvels and the mysteries surrounding them. Today, we dive into the chilling tale of the Titanic, a ship hailed as unsinkable, yet destined to rest at the bottom of the Atlantic. What really happened on that fateful night in April 1912? Was it human error, divine intervention, or something more sinister? Stay with us as we unravel the mystery of the Titanic. The Titanic was the crown jewel of the White Star Line, an engineering marvel of its time. At over 882 feet long and equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, it was more than a ship, it was a floating palace. Built in Belfast, Northern Ireland, the Titanic symbolized progress, luxury, and human ambition. Dubbed the unsinkable ship, the Titanic was a beacon of confidence in technology. Its watertight compartments and advanced safety features convinced many that nothing could bring it down. But, as history has shown, overconfidence can sometimes lead to disaster. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic set sail on its maiden voyage from Southampton to New York. Among its passengers were some of the wealthiest individuals of the time, alongside immigrants seeking a new life in America. For many, this journey was a dream come true, a chance to experience luxury like never before. The Titanic's journey was smooth for the first few days. But as the ship entered the icy waters of the North Atlantic, warnings of icebergs began to pour in. Despite the alerts, the ship maintained its speed of 22 knots, a decision that would later prove catastrophic. On the night of April 14, 1912, at 11:40 p.m., a lookout spotted an iceberg directly in the ship's path. The alarm was sounded, and the crew attempted to steer away. But it was too late. The iceberg scraped along the Titanic's starboard side, causing fatal damage to its hull. The Titanic was designed to stay afloat with 4 flooded compartments, but 6 were breached that night. As water poured in, the ship's fate was sealed. Panic spread among the passengers as lifeboats were lowered, revealing another grim truth: there weren't enough lifeboats for everyone on board. Amid the chaos, stories of heroism emerged. The ship's band famously played on to calm passengers, while crew members and fellow travelers helped others find safety. These moments of humanity stood out against the backdrop of despair. By 2:20 a.m., just 2 hours and 40 minutes after the collision, the Titanic broke apart and sank beneath the waves. Over 1,500 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. The RMS Carpathia, responding to distress signals, arrived hours later to rescue the survivors. In lifeboats, shivering passengers clung to life as they watched their dreams and loved ones disappear into the icy waters. Investigations followed the disaster, raising questions about the ship's speed, the lifeboat shortage, and the decisions made that night. Was it pure misfortune, or were deeper systemic flaws at play? These inquiries only added to the Titanic's growing legend. For decades, the Titanic lay undisturbed on the ocean floor, its location a mystery. In 1985, oceanographer Robert Ballard discovered the wreck nearly 12,500 feet below the surface, revealing haunting images of the once majestic ship. Today, efforts to preserve the Titanic's legacy continue. Artifacts recovered from the site are displayed in museums worldwide, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who sailed on that ill-fated voyage. Over the years, numerous theories and conspiracies have emerged about the Titanic. From insurance fraud to cursed artifacts, these speculations only add to the mystique of the tragedy. But how much of it is true? The Titanic's sinking led to sweeping changes in maritime safety. The establishment of the International Ice Patrol and new lifeboat regulations ensured that such a disaster would never happen again. It's a legacy of progress born from tragedy. The Titanic remains a powerful symbol of human ambition, frailty, and resilience. Its story resonates across generations, reminding us of the importance of humility in the face of nature's might. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mystery of the Titanic. If this story moved you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Future Fleet for more explorations into history's greatest engineering feats and their untold stories. The Titanic may have sunk, but its legacy continues to rise, inspiring us to dream, innovate, and remember.